Well, back in this country tonight, tens of millions of Americans are under winter weather alerts. And the massive storm system forced the cancellation of more than 3,000 U.S. flights today and tomorrow. Let's bring in meteorologist Mike Bettis from the Weather Channel's global headquarters. And Mike, this storm's hitting Texas especially hard, right?
Well, that's right, Norah. We think Texas is right in the thick of it. It could be a winter wonderland in the morning, especially icy in places like Dallas and Fort Worth. We think ice happens through the night and through the morning tomorrow. Dallas and Fort Worth, maybe as far south as San Antonio and Austin, but really heavy ice overspreads across portions of Arkansas, Oklahoma, and Missouri. Could be damaging there, leading to trees coming down. Power outages could be plentiful. The whole storm on the move through the day on Thursday. A lot of rain goes all the way up through the Ohio Valley, but then some fairly heavy snow hits portions of the Midwest, Cleveland, then extending right into the Northeast. Now, going into Friday, the tail end of the storm, some of the biggest snows yet, really hitting hard across Pennsylvania, New York, and right through New England. Look at some of these totals for Friday. Some areas here where double-digit snows will be very likely. A place like Boston or Hartford, roughly a foot of snow coming in for us. The highest of elevations could pick up 1.5 feet of snow. Hard to believe, Norah, we're talking about this kind of snow considering temperatures today. We're pushing 70 in many locations, so we're going from spring-like weather right back to winter.
Yeah, roller coaster. Mike Bettis, thank you.